The world-famous motor car is a brand A Rolls-Royce. 1930s into the world the most luxurious vehicles is the brand was. In India, the Maharajas and capitalists, many people this in cars the owner-doers, was between it their luxury alive and the assemble as considered. This motor in the car famous a buyer was in Alwar Maharaja Sir Jai Singh, Prabhakar, Sir Jai Singh Prabhakar, 1882 to 1937. A day London on a visit Maharaja Jai Singh. Bond on the street normal and clothes dress up walking was there. He is a Rolls-Royce showroom saw inside went their motor and cars the price and features about to ask. In the showroom employees, thought he the poor and Indian said. Employees to him insult which his stories did between that from the showroom out, going the way pointed out going is up to were there. This insultingly after Maharaja again his hotels to the room arrived in Alwar Maharaja motor cars, a few, by to take like that to the showroom phone a call giving is his from employees requested was there. Hours to a few after Maharaja again Rolls-Royce to the showroom reach was complete royal and clothes decorated. Maharaja to accept in the showroom the ground red the carpet come on had between. All marketers he in front of respectfully on the knees fell. Maharaja that in the showroom they have had Rolls-Royce motor cars all six by take complete amount transportation expenses along with paid put. To India arrived Maharaja. Urban to the department orders did that Rolls-Royce motor cars, all six in the city waste clean doing and transportation for use doing as. Like that Alwar in the city waste transportation doing for the world no and the Rolls-Royce motor cars to use taking was. This the news the world throughout spread gone between Rolls-Royce of the company fame a joke into paper was. Themselves have Rolls-Royce a car enough into someone Europe or America boasted Dana when people to laugh usually there was, what is it the one? In the city waste carry to go in India used doing type? Saying. Fame to the name tough harm done by being later, the Rolls-Royce motor car sales quickly below fell between of the company income the below fell. Rolls-Royce companies the owners sorry requested in India Maharaja to electric a message sent Rolls-Royce motor by cars waste transportation doing stopping as requested were there. U.S. only not they buy to the Maharaja new Rolls-Royce car 6 for free donations doing was. Rolls-Royce company a lesson learned take enough that Maharaja Jai Singh observed to was when he that motor cars waste carry to go use doing stopped put. Thanks and best regards.